Good night, Miss Maria Jose Cárdenas. I am Gabriela Ramirez. Then I go to talk to about the Festival of Flowers and Fruits that is celebrated every year in our country, especially in the Ambato city. The Carnival holiday in Ambato is different and special. It is not played with water or sparkling wings, but with flowers and lots of dancing. During 4 days of celebration, Ambateños and in general the entire province of Tungurahua, that is why with pride this city has been celebrated. The Festival of Flowers and Fruits of 66 years, full of memory and tradition, become on the best celebration of the year in the country, to which more than 30,000 people attend each year. Its street balcons and parks are decorated with fruits and flowers, product of this productive life, which also adorns floats and technique geographic. Give it the leading role and importance in the imaginary and cultural identity. In 2009, it was declared an intangible cultural heritage of Ecuador. Although the intercity dresses of the Cathedral of Ambato is on the main center of the celebration of the festival, where the blessing of flowers, fruits and bread baked in a wood fired oven take place. The party was held with unique characteristics due to its content, including the Ambato, Carnival clothing, aroma of fruits, perfumes of flower, beauty of this woman, manifestation of art, cultivate of tradition, all on a basis of solidarity, respect, and enthusiasm de placet. Ambato on the pedestal is a cultural development. The different events bring together hundreds of thousands of tourists year after year, where the people of the new generation are reminded of the original of our fruit and flower festival. It is one of the most important events that take place during the holiday. Thousands of young people from different educational establishments participate with their war bands and their comparsas. Thank you.